Good job, Riley.
Yay, Riley! Bullseye.
Mom, can I get another one?
You can. Yep, but show me before you open it. All right, go ahead, open it.
Good girl, right? Oh, I'm so good.
Brittany, it's Taylor's turn. Everybody watch Taylor.
Ooh, Tail, what is it?
What is it? What? She can stay?
You
Yay!
got $10 off.
Look at Riley.
Good job, Riley. She did it. Oh, she gets a treat for opening her present.
Good girl, right? Okay. Sit. Sit. She put holes in it. Stay.
Riley likes this Christmas present stuff.
John. Go to Daddy.
Sit.
Oh, 2 paws right away. What are you doing, Tail? You happy?